What is quality? The word gets thrown around a lot, so it must be important, right? But what is it? Is it that peculiar and essential character that sets something apart? Is it an acquired skill? Or is it a grade or degree of excellence? It's been used to describe the vividness of a color or the vibrancy of a sound. But maybe quality is the attribute of a sensation that makes it fundamentally unlike any other sensation. That would mean that something of true quality is unique and beautiful. It would mean quality is natural and impossible to imitate. It would remain quality under scrutiny and testing. It would be exciting, fun, and inspirational, improving everything it touches along the way. Quality would attract more quality. Building, strengthening, growing, encouraging. It would be courageous and far-reaching. Never aspiring to be quality, just becoming quality by its very nature. That is quality defined.